7 anti-inflammatory drinks with recipes. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury and infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to various health issues. Fortunately, you can combat inflammation with the right diet and lifestyle choices. One effective way is by incorporating anti-inflammatory drinks into your daily routine. In this video, we'll explore 7 such beverages with easy-to-follow recipes to help you stay healthy and reduce inflammation. Number 1. Golden milk. The ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. The instructions: 1. Heat the milk in a saucepan over low heat. 2. Add the turmeric, cinnamon and black pepper. 3. Stir well and heat until warm. 4. Add honey if desired. 5. Enjoy the soothing golden milk. Number 2. Green tea with ginger. The ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced, 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. The instructions: 1. Place the green tea bag and ginger slices in a cup. 2. Pour hot water over them. 3. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Remove the tea bag and add honey if desired. 5. Sip the aromatic anti-inflammatory tea. Number 3. Berry blasted smoothie. The ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries and raspberries, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of water or almond milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. The instructions: 1. Blend the berries, Greek yogurt and liquid of your choice until smooth. 2. Add honey if desired for sweetness. 3. Pour the refreshing smoothie into a glass and enjoy. Number 4. Pineapple Turmeric Cooler. The ingredients: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 cup of water, ice cubes. The instructions: 1. Blend the pineapple, turmeric, ginger and water until smooth. 2. Add ice cubes for a refreshing chill. 3. Sip on this tropical anti-inflammatory cooler. Number 5. Cucumber and lemon infused water. The ingredients: 1/2 a cucumber, thinly sliced 1 lemon, thinly sliced 1 pitcher of water, fresh mint leaves, optional. The instructions: 1. Add cucumber and lemon slices to a pitcher of water. 2. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for a few hours. 3. Serve with or without mint leaves for a refreshing and hydrating drink. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar tonic. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of warm water. The instructions: 1. Mix apple cider vinegar and honey in warm water. 2. Stir well until fully dissolved. 3. Sip this tonic daily to promote anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 7. Chamomile lavender tea. The ingredients: 1 chamomile tea bag, 1/2 teaspoon of dried lavender buds, 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. The instructions: 1. Place the chamomile tea bag and dried lavender buds in a cup. 2. Pour hot water over them. 3. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Remove the tea bag and add honey if desired. 5. Enjoy the calming effects of chamomile and lavender. The conclusion: incorporating these anti-inflammatory drinks into your daily routine can be a delightful and effective way to combat chronic inflammation. Whether you prefer the warmth of golden milk, the freshness of infused water, or the zing of a pineapple turmeric cooler, these recipes offer a variety of options to support your overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions before making significant changes to your diet. Cheers to your health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.